Open Delta Executor. If you see a Delta upgrade error, go back to your home screen and uninstall Delta Executor. Open Chrome browser and visit allexecutor.com. Scroll down and click on Android.apk button. Scroll down again and choose any download server, then click on it. On Mediafire page, click on Download button. Click on Download button again to start downloading. Once downloaded, tap Open. Click on Install to begin the installation. After the installation is complete, click Open. Turn on Roblox data storage when prompted. Go back to Delta Executor app. Log into your Roblox account. Choose any game you want to exploit and click on Play button. Delta key link is in the description. Paste Delta key and click on Continue. Delta Executor menu is now unlocked. Enjoy Delta exploits.